Hello there, modern man. I'm going to tell you today 10 things that ED is quietly stealing away from you right now. Most men don't even realize it's happening. And the 10th thing, you're going to be very surprised to find out what it is. So stay tuned to the end because that is the one that's most important of all. I'm Dr. Truong. I've been sexual health doctor for over 25 years. I've treated over 7,000 men with erectile dysfunction. Most men do not come in right away when they have ED. They wait. They hope it gets better on its own. They try a pill and they try a supplement. They try this device. ED keep working quietly in the background, taking things away from them. Do you know that? They're taking your relationship. They're taking your confidence. They're taking your health and your peace of mind. By the time most men sit across from me in my office, they've been living with this for quite some time, even 20 years at the point, maybe 3 years. And every single year they wait, something more was taken away from them. 52% of men over 40 experience ED. It is not rare and it's not a character flaw at all. It's not just a bedroom problem. ED is a full life problem. And today I'm going to show you exactly what is taken away from you so you can decide to take it back, modern man. This is for you. So listen up. So think of ED like a check engine light on your car. When the light goes on, you do not ignore it. You do not put tape over it and keep driving because the light is telling you something is wrong. Pay attention. So ED works the same way. It is your body check engine light for your vascular system or your blood flow system, your cardiovascular system, your hormone system. It shows up in the bedroom first, which is good, but the signal reaches far beyond that. So you gotta listen to this. Think of it like this. It is like your muscle. You go to the gym and you stop training. That muscle does not just stay the same. It loses strength, it loses size, it loses conditioning. Your body works the same way. The penis tissue that goes without adequate blood supply start to change, to shrink, and then start to develop scar tissue. And then the elasticity also decreases. But the good news, just like the muscle that responds to the right training protocol, your body responds to the right treatment protocol. So here are 10 things that ED is stealing away from you right now and what you can do about each one. Number one, ED is stealing your relationship. ED quietly creates distance, excuses, misunderstanding. Your partner wonders if you still find them attractive. You pull away to avoid conversation. You pull away to avoid maybe shame. The intimacy gap grow slowly and silently. I have seen men lose 20-year marriage to something that was fully treatable, like ED, not because they did not love their partner, because they waited to address ED. Most important investment you can make in your relationship right now. Number two, ED is stealing your identity. There is a version of you that walk into every room with confidence. You stand taller. You negotiate differently. You talk differently. You feel at home in your body. When ED goes untreated, that man starts to disappear. You start to act different. You start to avoid. You start maybe shrinking. When function returns, so does that man. That man is you. It is not vanity. It is identity. And you deserve to have it back. Number three, ED is stealing your ability to perform like a man you used to be, the man you want to be. In business and in life, you show up fully. You do not accept halfway. But in the bedroom, you are holding back. Maybe your partner deserves your full presence. Maybe you are single and ED is shrinking your confidence in dating. You show up completely in every other area of your life. You deserve to show up the same way here. Number four, ED is stealing your mental peace. ED is not just physical, it creates a mental prison. Yes, a prison, you heard that right. Performance anxiety, fear of the next attempt, withdrawal from sex, sometimes other habits to cope. The anxiety cycle feeds itself. You worry about failing. That worry makes failure more likely, and the cycle begins and worsens. When we address the root cause of the problem, your brain finally gets the permission to relax instead of constantly asking, what if I fail again? Or what if it doesn't work this time? Number 5, ED is stealing years from your life. Years. ED is an early warning sign for vascular disease. In a study after study, men with ED show a heart disease that appears in 5 to 3 years. So this is actually your warning sign that you may have a heart attack in the future. Your body is saying, listen to me. The men who take it seriously, they live longer and they are healthier and they have more energy. Fixing ED is not vanity. It's not a bedroom issue. It is a longevity issue. Number 6, ED is stealing your freedom. If you have to plan intimacy around a pill, that's not freedom. That's like renting your own body and renting out your erection. Pills do not fix the underlying problem. They are a lease, not a solution. Every time the pill stops working, and eventually it will, trust me, it will, or it already has for you, you are back to where you started. Plus, more time is lost and more tissue damage. So the goal is to restore natural function, not to be dependent on a prescription for the rest of your life. Now, if you want to find out how to restore natural erection without pills or surgery, click the link below and see how I can help you do that. Give you a map, guide you through the plan of a Get Hard system to see if this protocol will work for you. Check out the link in the description. All right, let's continue with number 7. ED is stealing your clarity and replacing it with confusion. Most men bounce between random solution, a pill, a supplement, or a gadget here and there. Sometimes they see this stuff online or something that is in Timbuktu and chasing a new thing. None of it will work. None of it is coordinated. What works is the complete protocol, pelvic floor training, hormone, stem cell, and lifestyle modification, changing your diet and exercising, all working together, not random hack, but a system, a medical system, the Get Hard system. When everything works together, your odds of long-term success goes way up. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Number 8, ED is stealing your investment in yourself. Yes, you invest in your car, you invest in your home, you invest in your business, you spend money on things that matter to you. But this, your health, your relationship, your confidence, is the one investment most men keep putting off. And every year you delay, the cost goes up, not just financially, but in intimacy, in lost energy, in lost quality of life. You know what you are worth. It's time to act accordingly. Number 9, ED is stealing your future function quietly every day. So here's the medical reality. When ED goes untreated, the penis tissue begins to shrink. We get to have scar tissue. It loses its ability to be flexible. The blood vessels supplying the tissue become less responsive. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to reverse. I am not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this because waiting is also a decision and it has real consequences. Waiting 6, 12 months from now, years from now, doing nothing typically means more anxiety, more avoidance, more tissue loss. The window to address this is now, not someday. All right, guys, the one I promised you would surprise you. Number 10, ED is stealing the men you were meant to become. I know that sounds different from the other number 9, but hear me out here. Every man I have seen or I have treated tells me the same thing after completing the Get Hard protocol. The biggest one was not the erection. The biggest one was feeling like himself again, feeling the confidence, the pride of finally facing the thing that he was most ashamed of and able to face it head on and be spontaneous and be firm. Most men carry ED in silence for years. It follows them everywhere, into every interaction. Every morning they wake up, and it is one of the first thoughts, right? Well, when it is gone, when function returns, they describe it as a weight being lifted off their shoulder. They stand differently, they talk differently, they interact differently. So it's not just in the bedroom, it's in every area of their life. The man on the other side of this decision is not just the man who can perform in the bedroom. He's a man who proved to himself that he does not have to suffer, that he is worth solving for, that he will not let one part of his health quietly take everything else. That man is worth chasing, and I want you to get there. I want you to be that man. So let me bring all 10 together. The ED is stealing your relationship, your identity, your ability to perform, your mental peace, your vascular health, and your years, your sexual freedom, your clarity, your investment in yourself, and your future function. And most importantly, is stealing the man you were meant to become. Every single one of these is reversible. Not one of them is permanent, but you have to decide to address it. So here's what I want you to know. You do not choose to have ED. It is not a character flaw. It is not weakness. It is a medical condition. And like every medical condition, it has a protocol, a system, a path forward. Just like you would not ignore the check engine light, right? Well, do not ignore the signal your body is sending you right now. Just know that you do not have to suffer with ED. You are not alone and you are not broken. And that you have sexual confidence for life if you follow the Get Hard system. And I believe that every man watching this right now can do so. So now I want to hear from you. Leave me a comment below. Which of these 10 things hit home the most? Which one are you most ready to take back right now? I read every single comment, so let me know. If you find this helpful, hit subscribe and notification bell so that way you can follow my next video. I appreciate you, and let me know what you'd like to hear from me in the next video. And just know that there are options for you. Check the link below. I'll see you in the next video.